do you do? Very nice place. It's very nice place. Ayaw, no, nag-video si Mami. Fresh air. Ang atong yung tato daw dito unahan ay. Asa to dapit talagi dito unahan. Dito. Nandito ay. Daghan nagkaw daw. Oh, ganahan sa baka. Kasi babata ba dali yan? Guys, there's a lot of lots of cows. Hoy. Sige na dito. Pusing dito ba kay videohan ka? Tararan, tara. Hi there. Hello. So guys, we are here again. We are here in the mountain. So cookie. So guys, look at the view. The view is so beautiful and so color green. So we are here in the mountain again.
Wow!
Wow! Wow!
Hey, Mommy. See?
Hala! Flower. Oh. Let's go, guys! Keep walking! Hoy! Walk! And we'll show you guys the view here. Lablin is carrying Asriel, son of Aljon.
She's sleeping, everybody.
She's
He's sleeping, guys.
sleeping. Asriel is sleeping. And there are also wild guavas. Oh. Aliyah! Lagi. Ano tayo dito? We go over there. Hold. Look, a nice flower there. Purple. Purple. Purple.
Nagalitan parlas na eh.
Hoy, grapes.
Strawberry?
Oh, strawberry. Oy.
Ay, parlas eh.
Strawberry.
Ano na, strawberry na.
Strawberry.
Aslom ka naman.
Look, guys. This fruit is called here is parlas, but looks like strawberry. Strawberry. No, ayaw na. Dili ba naman? Hala.
Hutama.
Ay, nagtuyog daw ba, diba?
Kita na bro. So guys, we just continue walking. Even it's so hot. But earlier we ride some motorcycle. And we just walking now.
Walking ko.
No,
Walking ko.
di ka mag-walking.
Ha?
Apoy kay ka mag-walking kung magsita gunit mo. Agay. Apoy. Lots of cows. Uy, gihugasan mo. Uy, cows. all white. It's cow. Wait sa, mommy. Wait sa, mommy. So guys, there's also horse over there. Horse, lots of horse over there. Guys, the horse is so cute. Oh, look. Wow.
Wala, ninggara.
Gara ka ha?
Uy!
Horsey! Horsey! Hala, donkey. Wow, donkey. Donkey is over there. Ang cutie donkey.
Kuni, day.
Cutie donkey. Oh, there's donkey, oh. Donkey. The small horsey. Wala, kagamay sa donkey, oy. Donkey. Hala, ka-cute. Hello, baby. Hi, baby.
Shrek? Sa Shrek. Ano yung asawa kay Dragon?
Oo.
Oh, Lucifer!
Sa lida ako, man to.
Shrek.
Kanang, Shrek. There's also cows. Oh my God. Big cows. There's cow. Hello, guys. For today's video, we carrying the babies.
For today's video, guys, I will be the babysitter of Asriel.
So guys, we are here.